Howdy, 4th graders. This is Mrs. Gable with your first day correcting video of FSW, or Fundamentals of Sentence Writing. Please grab your red pen and let's get started. So boys and girls, on Learning Sheet 1C, we're going to check all the sentences to make sure they have a capital letter and punctuation and that they make sense. Here we go. Number 1, Nancy played. There's a capital letter. There is not a punctuation, so I need to put one in there. If you don't have one, go ahead and fix it now. Nancy played is a complete sentence. It makes sense. Number 2, the cat watched. It needs a capital letter, so I'm going to put in 3 lines under the letter T. Has a period at the end, so that's good. And the other thing we need to check for, does it make sense? The cat watched. Yes. There's a subject and verb. Even though it might not sound like an entire sentence, like something should come after it, it does have a subject and a verb, so it is a complete one. Number 3, I know the answer. There is a capital letter. I see there is an end punctuation missing, so I'm going to put in a period and circle it. And it makes sense. I know the answer. Number 4, Tom is sleeping. I need to check for a capital letter. Tom needs a capital T since it's the beginning of a sentence. 3 lines. Tom is sleeping. There's a period at the end, and it makes sense. Number 5, the car painted a picture. Oh, I noticed that doesn't sound right away, but I'm going to check the others first. There's a capital letter and punctuation. Boys and girls, there are several ways you could change this sentence to have it make sense. You could take out the word car, so cross out the word car, and put in any other noun. Maybe you put in person. Maybe you decided to cross out the car and put in someone's name, like Michael painted a picture. Write that in right underneath or on top, wherever you had room. You could also change this sentence by taking out the other part. So instead, you might have, get rid of these words quickly, crossed out, painted a picture. What could a car do? Maybe you added the car drove away. There are lots of other things you could put in there. As long as it makes sense, you should be okay. All right, that's 1C. Let's go on to 1D, the bottom half of your worksheet. Okay. Number 1, my dad likes computers. It needs a capital letter. Everything else is good to go. Bev works hard. There's a capital letter. It needs a period at the end. Number 3, Russ feels sick. Russ needs a capital letter. It makes sense, and there's a period at the end. Number 4, Sam is smart. There's a capital letter. I need a period at the end. And it makes sense. The rock spoke. There's a capital letter and a period, but this one does not make sense. Just like number 5 in the previous one, boys and girls, you could cross out spoke and add something that made sense. Maybe you added the rock disappeared. Maybe you added the rock rolled down the hill. You could also cross out the word rock and write in something that spoke. For example, cross out rock. Maybe you put in the president spoke. Maybe you could put in Cruz spoke. Maybe you put in Mrs. Gable spoke. Either of those situations will work as long as your sentence makes sense. That's all for today.